Hey Bruce, I just want to send this quick video. Basically, what the Longyards business model that I was trying to explain will do is, let's say you're doing a renovation at your property, a commercial property, you have a hotel, um, anything, the Sensplex, and you need a yard. So what would you do? You'd call a fencing company to provide temporary fencing. You call a company to bring you the office, to bring you the toilet, to bring you the pod, and if you wanted security, which is the main part, you call a company to bring you the security. What Longyards is aiming to do is to be a one-stop call for everything. We'll bring you the fencing, we'll bring you the pod, we'll bring you the office, we'll bring you the toilet, and the best part is we'll hook up the security systems. So Abe and I are working on integrating this right now to in Ottawa to basically bring the yard model to you wherever you need it. And that's where our employees are going to come. So the Longyards business, we'll provide storage at our facility, and we'll provide all these the pods, the offices, toilets, everything. But if you need it, we'll be a one-call shop. We'll bring it all to you. And then we'll do the same system with the camera. So from your phone, you can look at Ring and you can see who's going in your yard, when, and activate, allow them in the yard and everything else. So basically we'll bring the Longyard to you. That's the business model.